Hey guys, this is Ozzy from Wanderlust Syndrome, where the voyage is contagious. Today we are in Tennessee, eastern Tennessee, and it's very cheap if you come out here, especially if you're a veteran. It was like $8.50 for the four of us, so
Because
it's a really
kids 12 and under are free.
yeah. So it's a very good deal. So we're going to show you this museum. I hope y'all like it. So if you like this, please hit like, subscribe, comment, tell us what you think. So here we go.
Know that it takes hard work. Know that to do things through yukta the right way means that we must think and work together with strong determination, judgment, and compassion. Think about it. Thank you for visiting. We will see each other again.
All right, so we just left the Sequoyah Birthplace Museum. It's about an hour drive to get up here to the Museum of Appalachia. Right now, we are starving. We are about to eat some lunch, but I hope this lunch is really good, so I'm looking forward to eating. Bad news, we just arrived to find out that the restaurant was closed, but we're just gonna do the tour and then get something to eat afterwards. So we're just gonna focus on just going out checking out this place. It was only $42 for a family, which is a very good deal in my opinion. As I said, like with the last museum we went to, if you are a military or veteran service member, you get a discount if you're coming by yourself or with a couple of people. But it looks like it's worth it. It looks like it's very fun, family oriented tour to check out. So if you ever come out here, this is the place to do it. Behind me, you see Alvin C. York. He is a World War I hero for the United States. He captured 135 Germans while taking out their machine guns in the Battle of the Argonne. I love World War history. I love war history in general, so it's cool to see this stuff get talked about and presented. So my hats off to this guy as being a service member myself who's been to war. So I salute this guy because this guy deserves big props. Hi, my name is Ozzy Henry, and you're on my channel, Wanderlust Syndrome. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and share this video, and come along with my journey as I explore the world and sharing unique views, advice, and stories.